Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our last video for 2022 and I am sharing 22 of my favorite purchases from Amazon this year. I shopped a lot on Amazon this year, and so I went through my orders and picked out all the things that I have noticed that I use on a daily or a weekly basis, or that when I use them just make a huge difference for me. So I put that list together and I am so excited to share it with you. Before we dive in, I did want to share one product that has made a huge difference for me that is not on Amazon, and that is Magic Mind. You've heard me talk about them before and I've raved about how amazing their products taste and make me feel. They keep my anxiety at bay but help me become super productive, feel really creative, and get so much done. It's amazing. I love how easy it is to just grab the bottle, mix it with some hot water and honey, and get going with my day. I'm not a big coffee drinker. I'm definitely more of a tea drinker, so this is a really great way to have some sustainable caffeine for me without making me feel jittery or gross throughout the day. I absolutely love everything about Magic Mind, from the ingredients to the beautiful packaging to the taste itself. I cannot speak highly enough about them, and I definitely think it's a great product to use going into the new year. So if you're interested in trying out Magic Mind for yourself, definitely use my link down below to save some money. Thank you so much to Magic Mind for sending me these bottles and for coming into my life and making such a huge difference for me. I know they will do the same for you. Without further ado, let's get into the Amazon products. So the first category I wanted to dive into is the fashion category, and I wanted to kick it off with this shirt. You've seen me wear it in another Amazon video and I'm just absolutely in love with it. Not only is the green an absolutely beautiful color that I think would look so good on any skin tone, the fabric quality is amazing. It's a true wrap top, so you can really make it as comfortable and fitted as you would like. Comes in a bunch of different colors and the price is fantastic for the quality that you're getting. I love this top. Can't recommend it enough. Next is a belt bag that I have talked about before as well. I love this belt bag. It is a perfect dupe for the Lululemon one. Comes in a bunch of different colors. It's just absolutely amazing and I love how cheap it is too. Lastly for this category is this set of sticky boobs. I feel like these are so hard to find, especially for me. I'm a 34, 36 double D, so it's very difficult to find sticky boobs that I actually like. These have definitely been the best for me. It comes in a 4-pack, so you do get 2 pairs for the price. I absolutely love these. They're very, very comfortable, and I noticed that they have absolutely no creases when I wear them, so they're absolutely perfect. Then I wanted to move on to the beauty and health category. This is definitely where a lot of my Amazon purchases came from this year. You've heard me talk about this before, but I have had some seriously horrific headaches this year, and it's been so challenging to find the products that actually make a big difference for me, but I think that I did find some really good ones. So first I wanted to share this headache cap that I've talked about before. I love this thing. I just leave this in my freezer, and then when I'm ready for it, I just go ahead and pop it on, and it makes my headache feel so much better, takes down some of the swelling, and just makes me feel so much more refreshed. I absolutely love it, and it does come in 2 colors as well. I also have talked about this headache stick before. I have so many of these scattered around my house because I use them on a daily basis and I absolutely love them. This one is very natural and feels really, really good on my skin. I absolutely love it and it does work so, so well. Then if you have a headache that responds a little bit better to heat, or if you have some neck or back pain, these 2 pieces are my favorite. First, we have this microwavable one. This one is really, really nice because it's weighted down. It works really well for the back of your neck and the tops of your shoulders, which is usually where a lot of the pain for my headaches stem from. So I use this one a ton. I absolutely love it. And then recently, for Christmas actually, I got this one, and this is a heated one similar to a heated blanket. It is a pad for your shoulders and your back, and it actually has a belt that you can kind of wrap around so it stays really, really nice. This is so good for when you have some lower back pain, and I just absolutely love that it's on a remote, so it stays warm for so long. Lastly, in this category, we have the set of shower steamers. I've talked so much about shower steamers on my channel and I love them. I cannot recommend them enough. These are some of my favorites that I got from this year. I love how powerful the scent is and how easy it is to take the packaging off. That's definitely a big pet peeve of mine. So these are really amazing. I have given these as gifts to so many people and everybody loves them, but I think I love them the most. Next, I wanted to move on to the kitchen. First, I've talked about these glass cups with lids before, and I absolutely love them. They're so nice for making any of your aesthetically pleasing drinks or just drinking some typical water out of. I love how easy they are to wash and clean, and they do come with the glass straws as well. Very aesthetically pleasing and super, super practical as well. Then we have the set of kitchen mats. I use them so much this year and I cannot recommend them enough. It's a great option if you're trying to be a bit more sustainable next year because it helps to limit the amount of foil, parchment paper, or wax paper that you're using in your oven because these can replace all three. They fit every pan that I have and they come in lots of sizes too. Then we have this mandolin slicer. I think I've talked about this before as well, and I love this thing. You can use it for veggies, you can use it for cheese, anything that you can grate, slice, divide up, chop, anything like that. This tool is everything packed into one. Comes with a bunch of different attachments for everything that you can imagine needing, and it's super, super easy to use and store. All of it is dishwasher safe too, which is a huge plus for me, and it's such a good price for everything you're getting. Another product that you've probably seen talked about so much is the Ziploc bag storage container. This is the one that I have and I love it. It's so nice. I really thought that this was going to be kind of gimmicky, but I've completely understood the hype since getting it. It makes everything so much more organized in the drawer, so easy to find the bags that you're looking for, and it holds so many bags in there. It's very aesthetically pleasing and brings me a little too much joy every time I open the drawer. Lastly, in this category is actually a food/beverage item, and it is this pack of raspberry tea. I love raspberry tea. Not only does it taste absolutely amazing, but when I have cramps, these work wonders. I cannot express enough how much of a difference this makes for me, and they're completely natural, which is amazing. I like mixing mine with a little bit of stevia or sometimes some honey, but totally depends on your personal preference. These are so good and I love that you get so many in a pack. Next up, I wanted to share some home items. The first is this blanket ladder. I have been wanting a blanket ladder for so long and I love how this one turned out. It's super easy to put together and I love that it holds so many blankets so nicely. It's super sturdy for the price and how thin it is, but it looks really, really beautiful. This next one is definitely the most expensive thing by a long shot, and it is this mirror. I have an obsession with mirrors. I have probably one in every single room and I love how this one looks. It's definitely the biggest mirror that I have and I love it. It's so beautiful, and every time that people come over to our house they give us compliments on this mirror because it's so nice and it's also really flattering as well, which is definitely a plus in my book. Plus, since it ships directly to you, you don't have to worry about fitting it in your car. Lastly, for the home category is this pack of hangers. For so long, I was a fan of the thin velvet hangers, but these have completely surpassed those for me because they're made of plastic. They're so much easier to put your clothes on and to pull your clothes off of, but I haven't had an issue with anything falling off of them because of the shape. I love these, and because they're so thin, they're still really good for saving space in your closet, which is definitely something that I need because I have way too many clothes. I absolutely love these, and we have replaced every hanger in our house with them because we love them so much. Then I wanted to share some cleaning products. The first is in the kitchen, these disposal cleaners. These are so nice. They're by the Arm & Hammer brand, and you do get a 2-pack. I love these. They last so long and the scent is so refreshing and nice. I've noticed it makes a huge difference for me, and every time I run hot water, I get the smell back up again. So it's super, super nice for keeping your disposal nice and clean. I love them. Then we have this Folex spot cleaner. This thing is an absolute life changer. I have used this for so many years, but this year especially, I've been using it a ton and I'm obsessed with it. You get a huge bottle for the price and it lasts so long. It works wonders. You can get stains out that have been there for years, and I am so impressed with how many things you can use this on. I've used it on my couch, my carpets, my rugs, my clothes, my pillows, my bed, everything. It always gets all the stains out and you don't have to rinse it after. There's no weird smell. It just works super, super well. Then we have something that I actually purchased very recently for myself and I'm super excited about, and it is this set of drill brushes. Now, hear me out, these are a little bit weird and my boyfriend gave me a lot of slack for it, but I'm really, really excited about them. You attach these to your power drill and it helps to scrub things even better than you can imagine. They've made such a huge difference for me so far. You do get multiple attachments, and I think the big one is the one that I've gotten the most use out of. I haven't really found too many uses for the other ones yet. I love these. They're so, so easy to attach to your drill and they work wonders. Lastly, we have a miscellaneous category. The first is my laptop case. I love my laptop case. I think it's so cute. And this one has been my favorite one that I've ever owned. Comes in a bunch of different colors. I have it in what they call the apricot, which is more of a neutral taupe color. And it's so pretty. I love this thing and it is so smooth and easy to put on as well. Then we have this sunshade, which I've talked about before, for your car. I love this thing. Like I mentioned in the video that I talked about this with, I have a custom one that was made for my car and I still prefer this one because it's so much easier to put up and take down. It fits every car that I've tried it in and the price is unbeatable. It's super small and condenses like an umbrella, which is amazing for traveling and keeping things organized in your car. I'm absolutely obsessed. Then lastly for this video, I wanted to share this daily planner. I've actually gone through quite a few of these this year because I use them every single day. They're really nice for scheduling your appointments, your meetings, anything that you need to do on an hourly basis because it breaks down every single day by the hour. It's the perfect size for fitting in a briefcase, a backpack, or even a purse. So it's really, really easy to bring around with you and the price is fantastic. To say thank you for making 2022 such a wonderful year for me and kicking off at the start of my YouTube channel, I wanted to end the year with a little giveaway and give away my favorite product from 2022, which has to be the belt bag. I've used this thing every single day and I know that you will too, so I wanted to give it away. If you're interested in winning the belt bag, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave this video a like and comment down below your favorite product for 2022. If you can go ahead and add your Instagram name in your comment, that would be fantastic so I can contact you that way. I am super, super excited to give this away and I know whoever wins is absolutely gonna love it. I know this is just a little small thank you to say that I really appreciate you being here and being a part of this community and of my life. It's made a really big difference for me to finally be doing this. I've been wanting to do this for so long and to have so much fun with it this year has meant the absolute world to me. So thank you so much for being a part of the ride. I really do appreciate it. So that was everything that I had to share with you. I hope that you found a new product that you can try in 2023. And if you're interested in entering that giveaway, don't forget to do so down below. You do have to be over the age of 18 and you do have to be a US resident just because that's the only place that they'll ship to. I am so excited for this new year and for the content that I have coming your way, both here on YouTube and on my Instagram. So definitely make sure that you're staying connected with me so you don't miss out when I have another video or post coming your way. Thank you so much for being here and for taking the time out of your day to come hang out with me. It really does mean the absolute world. Thank you again to Magic Mind for sending me those bottles and for making such a big impact in my life. Again, if you're interested in giving them a try, definitely use my link. I know you're absolutely gonna love it. I really look forward to seeing you in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Happy New Year! Bye!